Yeah, I just opened the box now. This is from Proctors Nursery. They'll have to excuse me for opening the box this way, but I wanted to show you in the side elevation, and I've literally just opened these, and look at the condition of these plants. They look absolutely fantastic. They're in such great condition. I just never would have expected this. I would have expected maybe a few leaves that would have been a little bit squashed, but they've put these sticks in, and if you look down here, if little ginger can come out the way, there we are. Look, they put the bags around the bottom of the pots to ensure the moisture stays inside, and they do put somewhere a little hole inside the box. You can see it just there. They put the hole in, and look at them. Look at those salvias there. They look absolutely fantastic. Look how fresh those leaves look on here. That's the way you want your plants to be delivered if you are ordering online. Just want to show you this salvia. There's so many salvias. I don't even know how many different types there are, but look at this one. Beautiful leaf, beautiful flower, and this one is called, there we go, I'll just get this out now. I'm going to put that back in. This is called Salvia's Wendy's Wish. Now a little ginger helping. Well, I know this one because I learned it when I went to Proctor's. This is Salvia's Black and Bloom. Look at that. Even the leaf, the black coloured of the leaf, has so much value. Look at the colour, the intensity of that blue. Beautiful plant. Look how healthy it is as well. Well, I haven't got a clue what this one is. I'm going to find out. But look, stunning. We've got a little helper here again. There she is. Let's have a look now. Let's find out what variety this one is. That's how good they put the bags on to ensure. I'll have to have a look now. I couldn't find a sticker on the last one. I didn't know what it was, but this one I thought it was the hot lips, but this is the Salvia microphylla Little Kiss. Look at that. Let me just show you the flower on this one. Is that beautiful? I'm just amazed how the quality of the plants are, how they've arrived. I've got a stick going through that one there. Those two are tied together. It's starting to rain now. I'm going to get out. That's the Love and Wishes. I'll put that to one side. There we are. There's another one of those again. Absolutely beautiful. What's this one here? There we go. I'm just so impressed with the quality of the plants. Look, you'd never believe that those plants have just come out of a box. Let me just get back. You can actually see those. It's starting to rain now, but that's perfect for these plants now. It's just what they want, having travelled down. But they're in good condition. Look at them. Absolutely stunning. Well, once again, I've opened the side of the box, and it's a shame we can't reuse the box or something, but just want to show you the condition of these roses now. There we are. Look, let's be fair, that has come out absolutely. Even this one here, look at it. You think it looks better than how some people put them in the ground. They're in such good condition. Look at that. Travel down in that box. There we are. There's the air hole through there. Okay, granted they weren't in there for long, a couple of days maybe, I don't know, overnight. But look, that's how they use the sticks to make sure they don't get squashed, and they put these bags on them to ensure the moisture, again, as I said, to stay inside. Brilliant. It doesn't mean to say that No other company actually does this, you know, but this is to ensure that you receive your plants in pristine condition. You can't get any better than that, can you really? Surely not. Well, the other day I was talking about alliums and salvias, and I've got a box ball there as well. You can see the other alliums growing up there, shooting up, reaching for the sky, and I'm going to put a rose in that little space just over there, or maybe just a little bit closer to these. I don't know what your thoughts are, but they'll work perfectly, I believe. And if you look just down the border, it's coming on, it's looking good. Let me just see if I can just zoom in. You can actually see where I got the roses at the top there. Look at that, the box balls, the silver birch, and then we have those roses just there with the salvias and the alliums, and they're just coming into bud now. Absolutely fantastic. Well, I found this other little space there. You can see I got some alliums there again, some box balls. Maybe I'll put the salvias just behind there, in between the two box balls, and then I'll put the rose in there as well. Such a shame, because I have to park my vehicle on one side here at the moment, and we don't get the full benefit of this beautiful border. You can see the asters just about in the distance there. So there's a good space there, waiting, crying out for some plants. Yeah, the peony, the flower is absolutely beautiful on this peony. It just seems to have gone over quite quick, but the foliage nevertheless is absolutely gorgeous. But over here I have some thalictrum, and I said it correctly this time, but you can see it's a beautiful flower on it, and we've got three just there, and it fills that little space up next to the astilbe, which they're starting to come through now.